everyone. I'm GIBBEE Fajardoza, BSA ito, Block 1. In this video, I will be explaining the topic from my PowerPoint about fire safety. Fire safety, incorporating the hazards, risk, and control measures. Fire. Yan yung halimbawa ng isang sunog. Isang sunog na nasusunog na mga gusali, bahay, at yan next, mga sunog sa kagubatan. Forest fire. In this topic, we have a key learning elements that will be to explain the science of fire. Saan nga ba nagsisimula ang apoy? How to originate fire? Yun ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. To illustrate fire protection goals. To describe the hazards and risks leading to a fire at the workplace. To highlight the control measures to prevent fires para iwasan natin yung magkaroon ng sunog. To identify the various alarm and sprinkler system in use. To explain the evacuation plan in the event of fire. Next is management. Why do we need fire safety? Para sa inyo, bakit kailangan nating magkaroon ng pag-iingat sa pagkaroon ng sunog o sa mga darating man sunog? Bakit kailangan natin magkaroon ng pag-iingat o pag-iwas? Para sa akin, kailangan natin magkaroon ng pag-iingat at pag-iwas sa pagkaroon ng sunog. Dahil una, ito'y nakakawala ng buhay o mga bagay ng isang tao na meron tayo. Next is fire protection goals. Life safety, human life. Ito yung kailangan nating ingatan, yung buhay ng isang tao tuwing may sunog. Kaya kailangan nating, kapag may sunog, kailangan natin iligtas sila at unahin sila kaysa sa mga bagay na nandun. Property protection, buildings and assist. Continuity of operations, financial and economic loss. In science, what is fire? According to science, a process or chemical reaction called combustion. Ang sunog daw ay a process or chemical reaction called combustion. So combustion is, ang combustion naman ay yung process of burning something, yung proseso ng pagkaroon ng isang sunog o yung pinagmulan niya. The combustions of fossil fuels. The meaning of combustion is chemical reaction between substances, usually including oxygen, and usually accompanied by the generation of heat and light in the form of flame. According to science, fire is the process worked only when three elements. Ang sunog ay may tatlong element. Ito ay oxygen, fuel, heat. Fuel not confined to petrol or gas. The chain reaction causes flame. The chain reaction causes flame. So this is the fire triangle. Diyan lang umiikot yung pagkakaroon ng apoy. Una, oxygen. Kapag may oxygen, kailangan may fuel. At kapag nagsama yung dalawa, magkakaroon tayo ng heat. So, pag nagkaroon yung tatlo, sumama. Pag nagsama yung tatlo, makakabuo tayo na ngayon ng flame o yung apoy. Ano nga ba ang flame? The flame, known as the fire triangle. The chemical reaction producing the flame persists when all three elements remain without being stopped, extinguished, either voluntarily or otherwise. Flame is energy released into the atmosphere. It is dangerous and unpredictable, can reach 2,000 degree Fahrenheit in a matter of seconds. So, napag-usapan nga natin yung flame ay umiikot lang sa tatlong element. Yun ay oxygen, fuel, at heat. So, yun tinatawag na fire triangle. Heat, fuel, oxygen. So, next is fire chemistry. Number 1, meron tayong heat. Heat is the temperature at which a material produces a vapor, and temperature at which vapors will burn. Vapors will self-ignite if the temperature is hot enough. Fuel, number 2. The fuel for a fire may be a solid, liquid, or gas. The type and quantity of the fuel will determine which method should be used to extinguish the fire. So next, number 3 is oxygen. Fires will burn vigorously in any atmosphere of at least 20% oxygen. Without oxygen, fuel could be heated until entirely vaporized and it would not burn. Next is flammability characteristics. Yung characteristics ng isang apoy. Or meron tayong fire point. The temperature at which the fluid surface emits enough vapor to sustain a fire to 5 seconds in the presence of a flame. So, yun yung fire point. Plus point. Next is plus point. Lowest temperature at which a flammable liquid can form an ignitable mixture in air, where the vapor may cease to burn when the source of ignition is removed. So, yung plus point ay yung pinaka mababang temperature ng apoy. So, next is classification of fires. Meron tayong 6 classification. Number 1 classification is Class A, involving solids. Dito sa Class A, kasama yung mga bagay na mga solid, halimbawa ay kahoy. Class B, involving flammable liquids. So, yung sa Class B naman ay yung mga flammable liquids. Halimbawa ay petrol, yung mga gas. Class C is involving gases like LPG or acetylene. So, yung mga LPG natin ay napapabilang sa Class C. Yung mga gases. So, sa Class D naman is involving metals and metal powders. Sa Class D ay halimbawa ay yung aluminum, alloy, yun yung mga halimbawa sa Class D, mga metals. Class E, involving electrical fires. Sa Class E naman ay yung mga sa mga electrical fires. Class F, involving cooking oils and fats. Yung mga mantika natin napapabilang yan sa Class F. So meron tayong 6 na classification of fires. Una, Class A, involving solids. Yun nga yung halimbawa ay wood. Class B, involving flammable liquids. Halimbawa ay yung petrol. Class C, involving gases like LPG, acetylene. Class D, involving metals and metal powders. Halimbawa nito ay yung aluminum. Sa Class E, involving electrical fires. Class F, involving cooking oils and fats. So, next is common causes of fire. Fire starts when the heat is generated by a deliberate work process by accident. So, yung fire ay nagsisimula sa pagkakaroon ng aksidente. Hindi natin inaasahan. Halimbawa, nagluto si nanay, si tatay, naiwan natin, sumabog yung LPG, natin at nagkaroon ng isang sunog. Halimbawa naman sa sa electrical installation, nagkaroon ng pagdikit at hindi natin inaasahan, nag-cause ito ng apoy or fire, nasunog yung bahay natin. So yun yung mga halimbawa ng mga causes of fire. So meron ditong common causes at workplace. Una, yung smoking. Smoke can cause fire. Kahit maliit lang siya, kapag pinabayaan natin siya, magkukos ito ng apoy. Halimbawa, naninigarilyo yung kasama mo, nakalimutan niyang maitapon dun sa may gas, sa may gasoline. So hindi niya napansin at ito ay kumalat. So doon nagsimula yung apoy. Electrical short circuit, dito karamihan yung mga nasusunog na bahay, gusali at iba pa ay nagsisimula sa electrical short circuit. Kasi minsan hindi maayos yung pagkaka-install ng wire sa bahay, kaya nagkukos ito ng short circuit. One common causes of fire, friction. Next is heaters, sparks. Sa mga nag-welding, pwede rin ito mag-cause ng apoy dahil kapag nag-welding ka, di ba may spark yun? Kapag tumalsik yun sa mga bagay-bagay tapos mainit, pumunta sa mga madaling masunog, pwede ito mag-cause ng apoy. Radiation, static electricity discharge, chemical reaction, and next is arson. So portable fire extinguisher. So ayan yung fire extinguisher. Ating fire extinguisher ay mayroong iba't ibang laman. Mayroong water, powder, foam, and carbon dioxide o yung CO2. Sa for water ay ginagamit ito sa wood, paper, textile, and solid materials. Yung powder naman ay ginagamit for liquid and electrical fires. Foam, ito yung ginagamit sa liquid fires. Next is yung carbon dioxide or CO2 for liquid and electrical fires, mga nasusunog na electrical. Yan yung real pictures of fire extinguisher. Yan. So the next is how to handle a fire extinguisher. A portable fire extinguisher includes the following components. Mayroon itong pressure gauge, hose, cylinder, carrying handle, and trigger. So sa paggamit naman ng fire extinguisher, tandaan natin yung PASS or PASS. So yung pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Kapag may sunog at gagamit tayo ng fire extinguisher, kailangan nating tandaan yung PASS or pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. So always aim at the base of the fire. Do not handle the extinguisher if in doubt. So ayun, kailangan natin tandaan na yung paggagamit natin ng fire extinguisher ay kailangan natin kapag gagamit tayo ay sa pinakang base mismo ng apoy, yung pinagmumulan niya para madali siyang maapula. So the next is make your workplace safer. Yun yung pinaka-the best na kailangan natin gawin. Fire safety is every worker's responsibility. So doon na po nagtatapos ang aking report at thank you.